Hello student, today we are going to learn about safety rules at various places. We know that wherever you go, we should be very careful. Otherwise, it may result in an accident which is an unforeseen mishappening caused due to carelessness. Children, we also know that whenever we want to cross the road using zebra crossing or any way, we must see to both sides of the road and then we cross the road. Children, on the road there are so many street dogs running here and there. We must be very careful about them, otherwise they may bite us. Children, at home also you must follow the safety rule. You should not play in the kitchen, otherwise it may result in an kitchen accident. Now children, we are going to see the safety rules at home. You should never touch the plug point or put finger into it, otherwise it may result in a shock, which is a severe dangerous shock. Children, you also know that you never walk on the wet floor. You may fall down and again you may get hurt. Children, do not leave your toys, bags, books and other things laying on the floor. You or someone else might trip over them and get hurt. Do not run while climbing up and down the stairs. You might fall and injure yourself badly. Children, you also learn that you always keep away from fire. Playing with fire is very dangerous. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, needles, etc. You might hurt your finger. Do not take any medicine without your parents' or doctor advice. Do not touch any other chemical like phenyl or mosquito repellent lotion without your parents' permission. Children, remain where you are when the electricity goes at night. You might trip over the furniture and get hurt. Wait till an elder light a candle or a torch. Now we are going to learn about the safety on the road. Always keep close to the elders on the road. Children, you should always walk on the pavement or on the safe side of the road. Children, you also use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Before crossing, look to your right, then to your left and then again to your right and then cross the road. Children, you also use subway wherever available to cross a busy road. Children, you always keep to your left while riding a bicycle. Always indicate with your hand before taking a turn. Children, you also follow the traffic signal. Red for stop, yellow for wait and green for a go. Do not put your head or any other part of your body out of a moving vehicle. A passing vehicle might hit you. Children, do not get into or get off a moving vehicle. You might get injured. Children, do not run across the road or play on the road. You might be hit by a passing vehicle. Thank you, children.